What's the meaning of ADAS? ADAS. 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 ADAS stands for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. It refers to a set of safety features that are designed to help drivers avoid collisions and accidents. These features include automated braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot detection. ADAS technologies use sensors, cameras, and software to detect potential hazards and alert the driver or take action to prevent an accident. The ultimate goal of ADAS is to reduce the number of accidents on the road, improve driver safety, and make driving more efficient and enjoyable. With the widespread adoption of ADAS technologies, we can expect to see fewer accidents and safer roads in the future.